anti-hyperglycemic agents. In the United Kingdom, prospective diabetes study developed glycemic dominance irrespective of the factor utilized, metformin, sulfonylureas, or insulin, reduced the happening of microvascular problems, retinopathy, nephropathy, and neuropathy. The review by DiFranco in 1999 checks the target of anti-hyperglycemic treatment and checks out the efficacy, mechanism of action, cost, non-glycemic advantages, and safety profile for the 5 confirmed groups of oral agents. A reasoning for the usage of these oral drugs as monotherapy in collection together and in collection with insulin is supplied. Metformin works via paths complementary to saxagliptin, and as well the incorporation of saxagliptin with metformin medicine may develop glycemic control. Thus, many patients demand various oral anti-hyperglycemic agents. The logic for the collection is that sulfonylureas induce insulin secretion, that is complementary procedure to the development in insulin sensitivity by metformin medicine. Other collections with metformin contain insulin and thiazolidinediones. The procedure of action for meglitinides is identical to sulfonylurea agents, but anyway, rabepiride manifests distinguished pharmacological merits in structure, period of action, binding profile, and procedures of excretion. Sulfonylurea-simulated hypoglycemia is more probably to happen with the longer performing agent, glibenclamide and chlorpheniramine, in patients with inconsistent eating habits, and as well in those who expend alcohol extremely. Alpha-glucosidase inhibitors may likewise be utilized in gathering with sulfonylurea, metformin, or insulin.